Hey Primary 3 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 7. Again, this question looks pretty simple, so let's take a look at it right now. The question says there were 1,230 bottles in a factory. This is very similar to the question we just did before. So imagine there were 1,230 bottles in a factory. I'm going to draw this for you immediately, okay? So this is a factory. And we have factory, okay, and in this factory, how many bottles are there again? There are, let me just draw for you the smoke. Okay, there are 1,230 bottles. I'm going to try to draw bottles. Okay, so this is my bottle over here. Alright, so that's bottle. And there are 1,230 bottles. Okay, now 289 of them were red. Okay, I'm going to draw for you. Red is equals to, how many are there? 289. Okay, what else? There were 259 more blue bottles than red bottles. So blue bottles, we have how many more? 259. 259 more. This is a more than what again? More than red. Okay, more than red. And lastly, we have purple bottles. The rest were purple bottles. Again, what did I say by the rest? The rest means everything else. So the purple bottles are the rest, or everything else. So the rest. Now, here's the question. How do I know how many blue bottles I have? So we just look at this. They said that it's 259 more than the red. So the red is 289, right? So how many blue do we have? So blue is equals to 289. This is blue. Blue is equals to 289 plus 259. And let's take out my handy dandy calculator and plus it together, and we get 548. Now, the next part of the question says the rest are purple. So that means everything else is purple. So if there are 289 blue and red, there are 548 blue. How many purple are there? If you said 1230 minus blue and red, you are right. Very good job, okay? So minus 289 and minus 548. Okay, is equals to, so 1230 minus 289 minus 548, which gives you 393. So that is the number of purple bottles. What's the question? The question is how many purple bottles were there in the factory. So if you got that one right, I'm going to give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so again, we are doing practice and practice over the same type of questions, which is why I tell you to trust yourself. You have to keep practicing the same type of questions over and over again, and that's when you can build the confidence, and that's when you can trust yourself, and that's when you know more than you think you do. Alright, so please do more practice on the same type of questions, and that's what I'm trying to do here for you at Math Prodigies. Understand why more than doesn't always mean minus or plus. Okay, it can mean either plus or minus depending on the situation. Understand that first. Okay, ask your parents if you don't understand. Ask me in class if you don't understand. Alright, so do that, and with you will, trust me, you will get distinctions in your math. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.